tips on getting your boater's license. So the whole process will take 4 or 5 hours. So definitely get a nice comfortable setup. A good computer, I would not recommend doing this from your phone. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull up your web browser and you're going to go to your favorite search engine and you're gonna search for Washington Boaters Education Exam. The main website I would recommend is www.boated.gov and then /Washington. The way the exam works is it's going to be laid out in a bunch of different sections. Each section is going to be accompanied by a timed video. So as this video plays, you're going to be required to watch the whole thing. Once the video is done, you will be asked some questions. And then at the end of each section, you'll have a small little quiz. And then at the end of the whole process, you'll have the full exam. You can pause your training at any point. So if you want to get up, take a break, get some lunch, no problem. However, like I said, the process will take 4 to 5 hours. So get a cup of coffee, find your favorite chair, and just knock it out.